I would like to welcome you all in the course of Introduction to Python Programming. In this session, we'll be learning about what is the meaning of Python, what is the significance of Python. So at the end of this video, I promise you that you will be able to understand what is Python. Then you'll be able to understand the brief history of Python. Then we are going to familiar a few applications of Python and salient features of Python. So let me move ahead. First of all, we'll understand. So what is the significance of Python? What is Python? So as you can observe, so it is basically a high level general purpose programming language. Also, we can say that one of the data analyst, Guido van Rossum, had developed Python programming. And you may wonder that how this particular name has been derived. Actually, there was one program, namely Monty Python Flying Circus. You can observe. Okay, so the particular scientist Guido van Rossum, he had motivated by seeing this particular BBC program, and he has suggested that particular name as Python. You know, Python is a dynamic programming. Why it is called dynamic programming? Why? Because there is no data type is needed. If you want to do programming in C programming, you need to mention about the data type int, then char, float, etc. Also, one more important thing, it is one of the fastest growing program. Okay, because everywhere people are using Python due to its convenience. It is quite easy compared to other type of high level language. Let's understand the brief history of Python. So, who has developed this particular language? Guido van Rossum. When he had developed this particular program in the year of 1989. And what about the research center? Where it has been developed? It has developed in the research center, namely Centrum Visconde and Informatica. Short form is CWI. It is located at the place Netherlands. Also, it is derived, this particular program, it was derived from ABC programming language and some modular language and C programming. Okay, these are the fundamental. The incident, when this particular scientist Guido van Rossum, he had been developing a particular distributed OS. At that time, he was fortunately found out this particular language. And it became open source in the year of 1994. Why? Because the source code, an external person can develop source code and they can go for some improvement of this particular program. That is why it is actually become an open source. And the first version was 0.9.0 version, but that was not official. Later, the original version had developed and it is named as 1.0 in the year of 1991. Okay, that was the original one and compact. There are different versions, namely 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, so on. It is keep going on. In the year of 2000, there was a version called 2.0. As of now, it was 3.12. Right now, it is 2023. In the year of 2023, version was 3.12. Moving further. So hope you understood what about the history of Python language. So there are few applications you can observe. It is mainly suitable for like a web development, graphical user development, GUI. You can plot so many like game development, and you can plotting, graphic design. It is suitable for image processing. Okay, then hacking, then application development, mobile application development. Also suitable for scientific computation. It is mainly used in data science, especially for data analytics. Okay, you can use it for business analytics purpose. You can understand whether the business firm is going better or not based on the previous data. So also we have very good opportunity like data visualization, plotting of histogram, then bar diagram, beautiful diagram can be plotted, and in the Internet of Things. Then database development. Okay, you can prepare a set of database. So nowadays managing the data is a challenging. Lot of the giants like Facebook, then they are actually facing how to manage the data. Then it's suitable for machine learning. Then AI, pattern recognition. Okay, it can be suitable for business applications. Then software development. These are the major applications of Python programming. Okay, hope you understood. So the major features, the important salient features, you no need to pay anything. It's a free, and also it's an open source, very easy to code. As I already mentioned that it's a dynamic programming language, easy to read. Okay. Also, it is an object-oriented programming. Oops. Okay. You might have heard about object-oriented concept of C++. You might have learned. Then it's a GUI support. There is a GUI support. It's a high-level language, and the extension features is also available. Also, it is easy to debug. Line by line execution is possible. So also they will give so many suggestions. I will let you know how to do the programming. Also, Python is portable language. So that is also another features. We can say it's an integrated type language. Okay. Also, it is possible to extend with some other software also. Then also we can call a standard library. There are different type of command. Panda, one of the command is called Panda. Okay, so you can import the library. Okay, very easy to import the standard library. And also there are already some standard libraries are available. Dynamical typed programming, and it's object oriented concept. Also, it can handle error very easily. We can troubleshoot also. Okay, these are the major features of Python. Okay, hope you understood the salient features of Python and why we need to focus on Python. Okay, well, you might have familiar various language, still why people are using Python. So hope you understood what is Python, what are the salient features of Python, and major applications of Python. In the coming session, I'm going to discuss about how to do the coding by using Python. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.